Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Riyazat Hussain Azhari, Chief Functionary of Jamia Al Habib from Jagatsinghpur, Odisha, India. Jamia Al Habib is named after Hazrat Mujahid-e-Millat, Allama Habibur Rahman. May Allah shower His mercy upon him. A well-known personality in eastern parts of India for his valuable services in propagating the teachings of Islam in accordance with the beliefs and practices of the al-Sunnah wal-Jama. The foundation stone of this institute was laid down by the Grand Mufti of India, Hazrat Allama Tajush Shari'ah Mufti Muhammad Akhtar Raza Khan Qadri Azhari, the successor to Huzur Muft-e-Azam Hind. May Allah grant him a long life. Under the spiritual blessings and guidance of these great personalities, the Institute is on the path to success in the dissemination and propagation of the beliefs and practices of the al-Sunnah wal-Jama in the eastern parts of India. This trust has been actively and earnestly working in the field of education and social welfare for the past few years. Jamia Al Habib's aims include various educational and social services. It is registered under the Indian Trust Act and legally it is entitled to receive and accept donations. In this regard, it has all the relevant certificates 12A, ATG and FCRA. Therefore, the donors will get 50% tax exemption if they give donations to this institute. We can also prepare required documents for those individuals and organizations and companies who want to give donations under CSR, Corporate Social Responsibility Scheme. Furthermore, a large number of students who deserve zakat and sadaqat are studying in this institute. Therefore, in lines with the Sharia rulings, this institute is eligible to accept such donations as well. The expenses of the running Jamia Al Habib keep increasing day by day. We do not have permanent and fixed sources of income to meet the expenses for the ongoing construction work, facilities of free education, treatment, food and accommodation to the students, and the expenses to hire the services of teaching and non-teaching staff. So far, we have been relying on the generous help of a few sincere friends and well-wishers, but their help cannot be called a permanent source of income. Therefore, to meet these expenses, we appeal to the members of the al-Sunnah wal-Jama to extend their helping hands for sake of propagating correct religious beliefs and practices. We request you to think of the needs of economically and educationally backward Muslim brethren and extend financially assistance, sadaqat and natiyat for the successful realization of the aims of Jamia Al Habib. We request you to take up the expenses of the whole project. If it is not possible, you can give your financially help for any specific head of the projects. Your help will ensure better life and economic prosperity for the members of the Muslim community in Odisha, India. Furthermore, it will strengthen our efforts and ambitions for social welfare and for the promotion of religious teachings in the light of beliefs and practices of the al-Sunnah wal-Jama. May Allah the Exalted accept your intention of goodwill and charitable dini services. Ameen. You can directly transfer donation to Jamia Al Habib bank account and the detail is as check in favor of Jamia Al Habib, JAMIA ALHABIB. For domestic bank transfer, Name of the bank: ICICI Bank Limited. Address of the bank: Jagatsinghpur branch, Odisha. Pin code 754104. Account number is 046 705 000 415. Account holder name is Jamia Al Habib. IFSC code ICIC 0000467. Donating from a foreign country, please send your donation to our FCRA account. Bank transfer or SWIFT transfer can be made to account number 046 701 000 693. ICICI Bank Limited, Jagatsinghpur branch, Odisha. Pin code 754103. IFSC code ICIC 0000467. MICR code 754229 SWIFT code ICICI and BBCTS. To send money order: Jamia Al Habib at post Rasulpur via Nalibar, District Jagatsinghpur, pin code 754104, Odisha, India. For more, you can call me on 9938287320 or email at info@jamialhabib.com. Thank you for listening and Jazakallahu Ta'ala.
ہر طرف یہ شور ہے بپا، ہر طرف یہ شور ہے بپا، آ گئے رسول پور میں۔ ملاحظہ کیجیے، ابھی تک نیٹ پر نہیں ہے، آپ کے موبائل سیٹ پر نہیں۔ ہاں، آ گئے ہر طرف یہ شور ہے بپا، آ گئے رسول پور میں۔ کہہ دیجیے، اب بھی شک ہے کیا آپ کو؟ بولیے، ہر طرف یہ شور ہے بپا، ہر طرف یہ شور ہے بپا، آ گئے رسول پور میں، آ گئے رسول پور میں، جانشین مصطفیٰ رضا آ گئے رسول پور میں، جانشین مصطفیٰ رضا آ گئے رسول پور میں۔
میں رضاکار حضرات سے گزارش کروں گا، جناب زمزم فتح پوری بھیڑ میں پھنسے ہوئے ہیں، وہ پہنچ نہیں پا رہے ہیں، آپ ان کی مدد فرمائیں۔
بھیڑ ہو تو آ جائے، ایک دم بھیڑ بھاڑ ہے عاشقوں کا۔ رضاکار حضرات ان کو سہولت فراہم کریں اور لے آئیں۔ ملاحظہ کیجیے، جانشین مصطفیٰ رضا